see what's out here. Oh, Rocky. We have a Target package. This is what I'm looking for. Let's take it up to my room. So, ran it back up to my room. Let's get it open. So, you guys don't know what this is because I didn't put what it is in the front cover. It's a new Xbox controller. It's red packing. I'll do that later. So, have the red controller. Don't need that. The red Xbox controller says plus. I actually don't know what this is. Back. Side. Other side. Top. And bottom. So I have the blue controller that I got so me and my dad can play together. And then I have the black one that came with the Xbox, but this one broke. I don't know what's wrong with it. Works on some games, doesn't work on others. So, we got this new red one. I like how Xbox puts stickers, so you don't have to rip things open. So, oh, it looks even better in person. Love this. So, once you open the box, it comes like that. It's beautiful. Don't know if it looks as well as it does. Buttons work nice. Battery slot. It's white on the back, just like the blue one. Now, in the middle, it shows you what color it would be on the real like when it's the black one. You have your 3 lines. I don't know what that one is. This is to take a picture. Now, it's all red. Here's the blue one next to it. So, blue one, see how it has numbers, the buttons are blue. Everything's blue, even the little symbol in the front. Same with the red one. Blues, backs, white's a little different white, because same thing. Oh, you get batteries with it. So, and then this part lifts up, and you get instructions and whatever that is. When I got the blue remote, I got a Xbox Game Pass, so that's pretty cool. You might be able to get one if you lift up this part where the controller sits and it comes off. The batteries are going right there. The box is really nice. I actually have the blue box. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna go grab it. Here's the blue controller box. Same thing. Just the blue controller box came with this. I can show you the code because I've already used it, so it doesn't really work anymore. So, but that's what the blue one came with, same box. So that's it for the video. I'll be using this controller more than the blue one now. So hope you guys like this video. See you guys next time.